Check out this nudist beach in the beautiful nature of the island of Sardinia. Yes, this is a typical view of a nudist beach, and it was marked like that as well on the map, as it is a bit secluded and hidden from the main beaches which are in that direction. Spiaggia di Porto Arguinco and Spiaggia di Simius. And I have been hiking from Spiaggia Porto Giunco, which is on the other side, to get to this nice nudist beach spot that you can see. And this is how it looks like. Mixture of rocks and cactus. Yep, that's right. I saw lots of cactus as I was walking along. And it's a now cloudy afternoon after having sun most morning. It is 3:15 p.m. 24 degrees Celsius in the air and the same in the sea as I have measured earlier. But still, I think there will be some more sun coming later today, and I have few more beaches to visit. But I wanted also to check out a little bit unconventional beach like this one. This is definitely gives nudist beach vibes and untouched nature all along. I also visited another nudist beach, Cala Figuera. There was also a sign that it is one. Here there is no sign, but I found a pinpoint marked on Google Maps, so I wanted to check it out. And not far away is another beach, Spiaggia di Carbonara, as that peninsula over there is called Carbonara. Very Italian, I know. Indeed. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Sardinia, and Chris is exploring the beaches. But usually I also try to get into a few nudist beaches as well, as they are usually getting a lot of views. I think now I have something in my foot, so I will need to check that later what that is. Okay, so let's hit the waters and enjoy a nice swim. So far I have been in the waters for 45 minutes, 3 times 15 minutes. Now let's round it up to an hour now. Now this is not a sandy entrance here, so I need to be careful and not to step on any wildlife, as I really hope they don't have sea urchins over here. But this is untouched nature, so especially like all of the nudist beaches. The water here would be even nicer if there was sun, so that is really unfortunate that you won't experience this majestic place with sun. But the show must go on. There are actually quite a few nudist beaches around the island of Sardinia. So, as there are lots of tourists, especially from Germany, who are enjoying that kind of stuff. And the rocks here, I can confirm that they are slippery. So, wish me luck to get into the water. Okay, now I'm walking on a giant rock, and I can see everything beneath the water, which is perfect. Yes, this place is marked as Cava Usai on the map, and some reports that it is a nudist beach because of the setup as well. Okay, now it's time to take a swim. So are we ready for a swim with beach adventures with Chris in Sardinia, Cava Usai, on the cloudy afternoon with some rain coming up? So ready, set, and go! Oh, it's quite deep also, and I see the color of the water being so beautiful. Amazing. Yes, it was definitely worth it to come and visit this majestic place and another nudist beach on my channel. So, yep, now it's time for me to enjoy a nice swim here in the sea. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.